Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can add pictures to text messages. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner of chat window. Now just tap on your photos that you wish to add. You can also click on Folders and select your photos from here by tapping on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!